Effects of alcohol on your weight loss. If you frequently have a glass of wine with dinner, or a few beers after work, you may wonder about the effects of alcohol on your weight loss. As you diet, each food or beverage you consume has an effect on your weight loss speed. Alcohol is no exception. Alcohol has fat, just as food does. Alcohol can lead to overeating, and the calories in alcoholic beverages are generally consumed in addition to other food and drink. Liquid calories add up quickly, so be aware of the calorie content of your drink. Alcohol has 7 calories per gram. Fat has 9 calories per gram. Drinking an alcoholic beverage from time to time won't kill your diet, but frequent drinking will. Alcoholic beverages can be just as bad for your diet as that greasy pizza, maybe worse. Liquid calories are typically easier to consume, and drinking your calories can cause them to add up more quickly than you'd think. There are other effects of alcohol on your weight loss as well. Alcohol loosens you up, and helps you relax. It also loosens your dieting resolve. This means that you are less focused on your weight loss goals, and may inadvertently consume more calories than you originally intended. One wing or chip can turn into many, as you become more relaxed about your diet. Consuming large amounts of alcohol can be synonymous with consuming larger amounts of food. Alcoholic beverages are also generally consumed in addition to food. So, if you drink several drinks with a high calorie content, you are probably also eating at the same time. This can lead to taking in a high number of calories in a short amount of time, simply because you are not paying attention to your drinks. You can help slow this process down by drinking a glass of water after each alcoholic beverage. You'll feel fuller, and in turn you'll eat and drink less. There are several effects of alcohol on your weight loss. Drinking alcoholic beverages can add calories to your day quickly. Alcohol has a high calorie content, similar to fatty foods. Liquid calories in alcoholic beverages go down easily, but pack a dietary punch. Alcohol can also cause you to eat more than you originally intended. Dieters, drink with care, and be careful how many calories you consume through your drink of choice. This article entitled, "Effects of Alcohol on Your Weight Loss," is not medical advice. It should not be used as or substituted as medical advice from a medical professional. This article is for informational purposes only.